Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you probably like, girl, where you at? I'm in the kitchen. I'm in my mama's kitchen. So I'm not really used to this vlogging type of camera stuff. Like, my hand is already hurting. I don't know how you vloggers do it, but I can't. But I wanted to come in here and share with you guys. Come on here. But I wanted to come on here and share with you guys what I eat in a day. You guys have been asking me what I eat on keto, so that's what I'm doing. Right now is, what time is it? It's 2:28, and I haven't ate anything yet. Like, literally, I haven't had anything to eat, and I need to cut my fast. I used to cut my fast by 12, but now I'm like, you know what? I just want to see like what my body would do if I stay a little bit longer. And I've been able to lose more weight the more I fast, so it's definitely working out for me really well. Oh my god, my hand is hurting. I don't know how you guys do it, but I'm gonna share with you guys literally what I eat on a daily basis. I usually eat the same things every day. That's the boring part about weight loss, but sometimes I like, you know, spice it up with like Chipotle or like some fast food. That's the good part about keto. You can have fast food. But yeah, I'm gonna share with you guys what I eat, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's so hard living in an African house and not being able to eat. Like, you guys can see our fridge is stacked with African food, and I can't have none of it. Oh my god, my brow was out the whole time, excuse that. So for lunch, I'm gonna have, I usually make like the coleslaw mix by myself. I'll get like the red coleslaw and the regular coleslaw, and then like just a little bit of carrots. Be careful with the carrots because it's just, you know, a lot of carbohydrates. Just put a tad bit, you know, it'll kind of kick you out of ketosis. So I'll get like a bowl like this, and I'll just put like just a handful of the mix right here. For the sauce, I use this mayonnaise. This is the Hellmann's avocado oil with a hint of lime. This is so good. Like, I would use like a tablespoon or two. So I'll do one. And then like I'll go ahead and mix it up. This is literally what my coleslaw is like. I know it's kind of boring, but you can put more mayonnaise if you feel like it's dry. I put too much coleslaw today, so it's getting dry. But as you can see, it gets, you know, to where it needs to be. I need more fat, so I'm gonna add my guac. I got this guac from Costco. This is what it looks like. It comes in like in a little stack of like 3 or 4. I think it's like 4 or 3. I don't remember. So I'm gonna take like 2 tablespoons, full tablespoons. I'm gonna put it on the side like this. So I'm trying to reduce like my meat intake. I don't want to eat too much meat, so I'm trying to go more to like fish and eggs, something healthier. So I'm gonna use 2 boiled eggs. That's gonna be my protein. And usually this is like the only protein that I eat for the day, because I don't want to do the most with protein. I don't want to eat too much protein, you know. So I'll cut it up. Let me move this spoon. I'll just like cut it up and make it all cute. Most times I don't do this, but just for the sake of the video. Just like cut it up like that. 2 boiled eggs. So this is what I eat. I know you're probably like, girl, that's not a lot of food, but it is for me. I don't need to eat 2,000 calories or more a day. I'm good. This satisfies me. Like, literally, I'm good with this for like a couple hours. This is the reality of the situation. This is really what I eat in a day. This is what I eat for lunch. Is how I break my fast. So we're gonna try it out. My mouth is watering. Oh my gosh, I'm such a fat ass. Alright, let me try it. It's so good. It's so good, like, guys. I usually eat like 2 times a day. I don't eat more than that because for me personally, I don't feel like my body needs so much food. Like, I get satisfied real fast, so I don't need to eat like crazy meals, as I mentioned earlier. So this will sustain me for like 2-3 hours, and then I'll eat again. I stop eating around 6-7 o'clock. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is what I eat in a day. If you guys want me to do more recipes and more lazy keto ideas, let me know. Comment down below, what are your lazy keto meals? Let me know. The girl needs new recipes because I get so bored eating the same stuff all the time. If you also want to see like what I eat when I'm out, like what I eat for fast food while I'm on keto, let me know and I'll film that for you guys as well. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. God, I can't talk today. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out. I'm in love with you.